You need to invent for the market and what the market wants and not what you want to see. Now, we have talked about how you need to use your kind of intuition combined with science and the data that the customers are telling us and what the market wants, but make sure that it's always what the customers in the market want, because remember, we're not inventing for ourselves or what we want to see in the world. We're inventing what the customers want at the end of the day. So always make sure to look at those. Always make sure to look at the reviews and actually analyze your audience and who the market that you're going to be serving are and what their needs are, and make the things that they want and that will buy, because ultimately they're buying and you aren't. So people will do this as they're expanding their product lines as they're going on in time, or when they're first starting out like I did. I wanted to see the 80-20 wristband, but the market didn't. So remember, we are capturing the demand of the keywords, and we're trying to find where are those holes within the keywords that people are looking for. So just make sure to add value and differentiate within what the market wants, not what you want.